This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Arundhati Paul. Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma yesterday visited the Premier Cyrogenics Limited's oxygen plant at Guwahati and took stock of the oxygen generation capacity of the plant for boosting oxygen availability in the state. Talking to media persons, the Chief Minister thanked the Premier Cyrogenics Limited for responding to the state government's request for restarting the plant, which was closed long back. He said that the unit is producing 14 metric tons of oxygen, which has boosted the state's oxygen availability. He informed that Assam's oxygen production capacity has gone up to 80 MT as against the requirement of 70 MT. In Nagaland, the first pressure swing absorption PSA oxygen generation plant at Naga Hospital Authority, Kohima, has become operational. Minister of Health and Family Welfare S. Pangyopom inaugurated the oxygen plant yesterday. The centre has allocated 3 oxygen plants under the PM CARES Fund in Kohima, Dimapur and Mokokchung. Mr. Pom expressed optimism that with the PSA plant in all the district hospitals and oxygen concentrators and oxygen cylinders distributed to all the districts, the oxygen requirement to tackle the COVID-19 pandemic should be met. Nagaland reported 273 fresh COVID-19 positive cases yesterday, taking the total tally to 18,349, besides 7 fresh deaths, mounting the COVID death tally to 205. In addition, the states recorded 104 recoveries, adding the recovered cases to 13,299. At present, there are 4,253 active cases. Minister for PHE and BJP legislator Jacob Zimuni has tested positive for COVID-19. Meghalaya Governor Satyapal Malik yesterday visited few areas in Shillong City, Golf Links, Upper Shillong, Kindailad for general observation and checking if the lockdown guidelines were being followed strictly. According to a communique issued by Raj Bhavan, the governor toured the above areas and shared his observations and feedbacks with the Deputy Commissioner of the East Khasi Hills. Appreciating the efforts of the district administration, the governor advised for stricter regulation of the lockdown to prevent aimless gathering and random wandering of some youths and citizens in certain areas. The Assam government has suspended inter-district movement from Friday. However, movement of goods and persons involved in COVID-19 duties are exempted from this order, as well as movement of persons for taking the vaccination. Assam has reported a total of 6,394 new positive cases yesterday and 92 persons succumbed to COVID-19. Kamrup Metro District has reported the highest number with 1,100 new cases. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and Deputy Chief Minister Preston Chinsong met Assembly Speaker Med Balingdo yesterday and requested him to convene an all-party meeting on the COVID situation in the state. The meeting will be held tomorrow. Meghalaya registered 634 new COVID-19 positive cases yesterday, taking the tally of active cases to 4,915. The state also recorded 237 new recovered cases. Another 16 persons succumbed to the infection, taking total number of fatalities from COVID-19 to 336 so far. Meanwhile, Meghalaya requires close to 30 lakh shots of COVID vaccines to inoculate people in the age group of 18 to 44 years. The state has received only 42,000 shots for the age group. The Chief Minister admitted the shortage in the supply of the vaccine as witnessed in other parts of the country. He said that the vaccination for 45 years and above is going on in all districts and 80% of the vaccination centers are for this age group. Nagaland has rolled out the COVID-19 vaccination for age group 18 to 44 years from yesterday at the designated COVID vaccination centers. On the first day, a total of 3,029 beneficiaries have been inoculated with the first dose of Covishield vaccine. Health Minister S. Pangyopom said the state has received 36,580 doses of Covishield vaccine on payment as allocated by the Health Ministry. He said the state has placed more orders but it does not have any control on the supply or production of vaccines. Pangyo said that the COVID-19 vaccination centers for 18 to 44 years has been placed strategically and allotted as per the risk assessment with focus on urban areas. All districts have been allocated the vaccines as per the population and risk of infection. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.